And welcome. Today's video is actually one that y'all have requested for some time now, and it's what's in my purse. So if this sounds like a video for you, make sure to stay tuned. But before we jump in, if you guys are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Rhonda, better known as Hotmess Mama MD, and here we embrace the hot mess. Sorry guys, I just ran down a flight of stairs, so I'm like, ugh. We embrace the hot mess. We run on pretty much nothing but caffeine, and y'all, it's a judgment-free zone. So hopefully you decide to stick around, subscribe, turn that notification bell on, because I do upload pretty much every single day at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time, as well as I do have a second channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs, where all kinds of random gets uploaded over there. So check my description box down below for that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this what's in my purses. So yeah, I said purses, guys, because I'm going to show you two different purses that I use. One is this Bolzano backpack. You guys actually may have seen me unbox it over on my other channel. I did unbox it on my other channel, but then I did a full dedicated video with this. This was in the December bag. Bolzano is a monthly subscription and this video is not sponsored or anything like that, but I got this back in December and I love this bag. It is like the perfect little casual bag, and we went to Kings Island with it for Winterfest, I think is what it was called, and this was perfect. So anyways, I just wanted to show that because I use this purse last month, and then of course in the wintertime I use this next purse that I'm going to show you guys, and I feel like I need to explain it just a little bit because I feel like anytime that I show anything high-end or expensive, I get a lot of hate for it. So backstory on this, I used to work in the corporate world. A lot of you guys know that. I did lose my job back in June. But in 2018, December of 2018, I had set a goal for myself, because that's kind of what you had to do with the company that I worked for. And you had to say, I'm going to, you know, land X amount of accounts or X amount of money and what have you. And I did that within the first quarter going into 2019, and I told myself that I was going to buy a Louis Vuitton Neverfull. I could not and would not, and still to this day, even if I could afford it again, I would not pay full price for a brand new one. So I went to the RealReal or in Poshmark and looked for the best deal, and I wanted like a real one. I didn't want what do they call them, the fake or the dupes or what have you. So I did. I shopped around and I purchased this one, and then that I use in the winter time. And then I did get, I forget what it's called, but it's the cream and navy blue one. I think it's navy blue. It looks navy blue, whatever. Anyways, it's an older one. It's used, but I don't care. I hit my goals and I was really excited about it. And with that being said, I splurged and I bought this. This is a medium-sized Neverfull, and like I said, this one either came from Poshmark or the RealReal, but either way, they get certified and proven that they're actually the real Louis Vuittons. So this one has the inside that's this color, whatever. And then to make life so much easier, because these are large size, I bought one of these off of Amazon, which I will try and link below for you guys, but it's this cute little caddy. And therefore, with that, it keeps the inside of my purse nice and clean. So there is actually a hairbrush in here that has been mushed, and I don't even know honestly why it's in there. Mom life. You know how moms are. We have to carry everything. So my son is an archer, so I've got his glove in here. Doesn't always use it. And then in here is a pocket, so I'll just start with the pocket. It was so funny because literally for probably since I started my channel, people have been like, let's see what's in your purse. And I'm like, do people really do these videos? But I get asked all the time. So here we go. So as you guys know, I'm a germaphobe, so I have a couple of these little spritz bottles for antibacterial spray, highlighters because you just never know, I'm also a mascara junkie, so I have the Essence Volume Stylist 18-Hour Lash Extension Mascara in here. I have a Fresh Sugar, or it's by Fresh, it's the Sugar Advanced Therapy in the shade, I guess it's called Dream, but it's like this pink lip balm kind of thing. Chapstick, I call it chapstick, but I've been corrected multiple times, so there's that. I do have gum, which I forgot that I had. So I got some Trident bubble gum, and what is this? A nail file. I have a pen and a nail file. I have a feminine napkin. I think this one's by Honest or something. It's organic. And then a bunch of receipts. What is this? Oh, my UPS card, and then a check register thingy. Yeah, and then stuff I'm not going to show it, but it's like receipts and stuff, so it has information on it. And then we have here one of those teleties, I think they're called. This one I think is just from Target. I don't think it's an actual teletie. And then what is this? Oh, it is a busted pen. There we go. Getting to clean my purse out. Might as well just throw these receipts away soon. What else here? Sorry if I'm boring, guys. Oh, then I've got some dental floss. My daughter's Carmex, another hair tie, dental floss. I have a lighter because that's one thing when we go out with, you know, to celebrate birthdays or what have you, nobody smokes, so nobody has lighters, but I always make sure to carry one. And then I've got one of those little chapstick thingies right here. So there's everything in that pocket. Let me put everything back away. It was so funny because I was searching for my nail file the other day and I'm like, I know I've got one in here. Got to check there. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and talk about this little doodad from Amazon. You guys, this is so handy. It's like a little organizer. I think I paid maybe $8 for it, 10 bucks, I don't know. But it's got, as you guys can see, the little netted pockets for things. And let's go ahead. So you guys see here my Luxe scent box, and this one is in Jimmy Choo. This is a monthly subscription. I did a sponsored video. Golly jeez. Can you tell the Jimmy Choo is my favorite? I'm almost done with it. I did a sponsored video with Luxury Scent Box, and they had sent me a few different ones, but like I said, Jimmy Choo was my favorite. This is actually a monthly subscription. I want to say, with my coupon, I want to say it's like $10 a month, but you get one of these, and then you get a vial in here that lasts a little, probably a little over 30 days, but we love the Jimmy Choo so much that my husband got me a full-size one of these for a Christmas gift. So, more gum. I have the Trident Layers, and this is in the watermelon tropical fruit. And some people ask, like, is it keto? I think there's like different levels to keto. There's like strict keto, and then there's like easy peasy dirty keto. I'm a bit more on the dirty keto side. So this has 1 sugar alcohol in there, but it does have that maltitol in it, so that can, if you're not careful, mess with your blood sugar. I've got another pen in here. I've got receipts in here. So let's throw that away. Oh, my bank, she gave me her card because if you guys don't follow me on my second channel, I talked about the whole fiasco of my credit card number being stolen from a gas pump. You got to be careful with that, guys. So anyways, and then of course, got a pen. I gotta put it back as I go, OCD. Then this is something else I love to have, and this is the Icebreaker Mint. Again, it's dirty keto because it does have sorbitol in it, so, and aspartame in it, and maltodextrin in it. So yeah, whatever. I don't like eat it all the time, but just here and there. I've got another chapstick, lip balm, EOS, whatever the heck it's called. Judge McJudgerson's Judgment Free Zone. My wallet is in here. I mean, it's not a what's in my wallet, but it's a wallet, so you guys know how that works. Let's see. I don't know why. Whatever. I got some gift cards for Christmas. So I've got a Sephora gift card. I have more check registries because I'm OCD and I'm scared to death of running out of these. So anytime I'm close to the bank, I'm like, can I have some more? I don't know. Do you guys, I don't know. Are you guys like this? Like every time you spend money out of your checkbook or checkings account, do you hurry up and write it in your checkbook? I do, because I am severely OCD. Okay, we have another receipt. Throw it away. Throw it away, sis. Oh, okay. So again, this is something you would have seen on my second channel, but this is the Glee gum with xylitol. So if you have animals, don't buy this. But it's a sugar-free gum. It's in like a little chiclet packet. They had clearance some of the Halloween candy at our local, what is that called? Health store. And so I picked it up. It's not that great of gum, but it's a healthy alternative to like the Trident and stuff. So anywho, I have deodorant in here. I have more of this gum. And then I am a nut. I always keep sunscreen because you just never know when you might need it. My kids are always like, seriously, Mom? I have a first aid kit. I have all of that stuff, but that's in my vehicle. So let's put that away because OCD. Oh my gosh, there's even zipper compartments I forget about. Oh, I apparently have old school earbuds and a penny holder in here. This stuff holds a lot. Let's move to the other side. Okay, so I always have dry skin, so I have hand lotion. I have another pen. Holy guacamole. I have more flipping receipts. Girl, more receipts. More receipts. Oh, this is the Lily chocolate stevia. It's what is that called? It's like a peanut butter cup. It looks like a Reese peanut butter cup. It does not taste like a Reese peanut butter cup because this is a healthy version of it. But for those times where I'm feeling very weak-minded, I keep this in here for those kinds of moments. Let me see what I'm zipping right here. I'm going to check this side because it even has little zipper compartments. I mean, this thing holds a ton. And I do. I have more stuff. I don't know. What is this? Oh, I have a coupon that's about to expire for 20% off at Children's Place. And I have, yet again, another receipt. Goodness, okay. Anyways, at least it doesn't look as crazy in here, so whatever. But that's everything, guys. I've tried, I feel like, since getting this little Amazon caddy, I feel like even though I keep saying like another receipt, it's definitely very organized looking when you look in my purse. Because that was the one thing about the Neverfull, or Neverfull, whatever it's called. Even though it's got this little doodad right here that like locks it together, you can still peek in the sides. I have an active family, so if I'm sitting there and people are like behind me or whatever, I don't want them to be like, oh my gosh, she's got stuff everywhere. So it looks somewhat organized. But anyways, yeah, that's what's in my purse. And of course, when I'm carrying my backpack, I pretty much take whatever's in the caddy and throw it into the backpack. So anyways, but I did want to ask you guys, even though mine is authentic, I had a company reach out to me about designer dupes of purses. And I wanted you guys' opinion on that. I don't own any like of the fake designer or dupe designer products. And honestly, I don't know if I have a feeling on that just yet. I know that some people do a lot of unbaggings on their channel of these purses. So I wanted to see if you guys wanted me to do that as well. I mean, retail value of this is, I think it's like $1,200, $1,300. I did not pay that. But even the fake designer ones are a lot less than what I paid for this one, which kind of makes me sick because I've seen the bougie on a budget type of unboxings and I'm like, oh, I gotta save so much money if I had done that. So anyways, leave me a comment down below, because before the company was even willing to send me anything, they're like, well, we need to know what your viewers' feedback would be. And I'm like, I need to even figure out what my thoughts on that are, because I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. To me, it's a touchy subject. So if you guys want to see an unboxing on my channel of designer inspired types of purses that would look like the Louis Vuitton Neverfulls or anything, but obviously they wouldn't be authentic or anything, let me know down below, because like I said, I don't really know my feelings on it. Maybe I need to do a little bit more research as far as that goes. I mean, I'm queen of dupes. I love inspired by dupe products. I mean, you guys see I do a whole is it a dupe or just a waste of money here? But those aren't fake palettes, you know. They're another company that got inspiration from another company, but they're not claiming to be that company. You know what I mean? And that's the thing about the purses, is they're claiming to be. And like I said, like, thank God, like the Real and Poshmark, you know, they do like a thorough check on your purse when you purchase them. Anything over $500 for Poshmark, they check it out. Same with the Real. So I'm like, I don't know, I'm rambling. That's what I do. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be all for today's video. I know it was like a weird video, but let me know you guys liked it by giving me a big thumbs up. Look, I get it, guys. I know that designer purses are not for everybody. I don't need to hear about it in the comment section. Like I said, I tried to give you a back history of why I wanted to purchase one, and I earned it. I worked my butt off and I earned it. So I'm pretty doggone proud of it. So anyways, guys, don't forget to follow me over on TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram. And until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.